Okay, so I'm just going to run through this. Basically what this means, it is the conjugate of z1 plus z2. But before I can get the conjugate of it, I need to have added z1 plus z2. So z1 we had was 5 plus 2i, and z2 is equal to 3 minus 4i. Okay, so I'm just going to add them together. I know you have them already done in the previous part. I just can't find my solutions here now, so 2 moments. Plus 3 minus 4i. So it's going to be 5 plus 2i plus 3 minus 4i. Okay, so then what I have is 5 plus 3 will give me 8. 2i take away 4i will give me minus 2i. Okay, then just basically the answer is going to be getting the conjugate of this here. Okay, so that's all it means. Okay, so then my conjugate of z1 plus z2, because we know that's what the answer is, the conjugate is then 8 plus 2i. So that's how I did question 3 and part 5. Then question 4, part 5 is the same, so I'll just run through it again. Part 5, it is the conjugate of z1 plus z2. Okay, and then I have z1 plus z2 is equal to minus 1 plus 2i plus 2 plus 3i, and then I have minus 1 plus 2i plus 2 plus 3i, and that's equal to, so minus 1 plus 2 will give me 1, and then 2i plus 3i will give me plus 5i, and I need to get the conjugate of that, so z1 plus z2, the conjugate of this answer then will give me 1 minus 5i. So that's how I do question 4 part B. And then the last one that you wanted me to go through is part 5. So I can see here it's just a common trend that we didn't understand this line here, I think. So basically you solve underneath the conjugate line, and then you get the conjugate of it. Okay, so question 5 part IV is the conjugate of z1 z2. Okay, so this here is my line. I need to work out what is the product of z1 times z2. So z1 in this case is 5 plus 6i, bracket z2 is 3 minus I. Okay, so it's first term, which is 5 times everything in my second bracket. My second term, which is plus 6i times everything in my second bracket. Okay, so 5 times 3 is 15, minus 5i, plus 18i, minus 6i squared. Okay, then I've just tidied up, so I'll have 15 minus 5i plus 18i minus 6, I squared will go to minus 1. Then I have 15 minus 5 plus 18 will give me plus 13, I minus my minus will give me plus 6. Okay, so my answer then is 21 plus 13i, but I was asked to get the conjugate of that, so then the conjugate of that is going to be 21 minus 13i, and that's how I got it. Oh, sorry, it's after cutting off. So just here, so you work out what is the answer to underneath the conjugate first. Once you've that answer figured out, you're just changing the imaginary sign. I hope that helps.